Oppo silently launched its new K-series phone in China called Oppo K12x, with quite premium-looking design. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo K12x features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 2100 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 695 chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 256 or 512 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is expandable up to 2 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Oppo K12x sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel portrait lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.4 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5500 mAh battery with 80 watts SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 based on ColorOS 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.9 by 75.6 by 8.1 millimeters, and it weighs around 191 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo K12x has been priced in China for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 1,299 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 1,499 Chinese yuan. And the higher variant with 12GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 1,799 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in titanium gray and condensed green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo K12x smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.